Welcome to the Bloom Schools. Is it raining now? Yes, it's raining since yesterday morning. What will the weather be like tomorrow? I think tomorrow the weather is going to be the same as today. What about this evening? There's a cool breeze this evening. What's the temperature today? It's about 72 degrees Fahrenheit this afternoon. Would you like to come to dinner next Friday? Not on Friday. Can we make it on Sunday? I think you have taken my bag by mistake. Oh, I'm sorry. Lovely day today, isn't it? Yes, today is the first day of spring. May I open the window? Yes, of course. How are you feeling today? I don't feel very well. Where are you living? I am living in London. Can you translate this for me? Yes, definitely. I am not feeling well today. Take 2 pills and have a good rest. Are you busy? Yes, I am very busy. I don't have time now. What happened to your father? My father has a bad headache. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure about it. Is that enough? Yes, I think it's enough for today. Could you tell me the way to the station, please? Yes, of course. Do you feel better now? Yes, after taking rest, I feel much better. Do you like him? No, I don't like him. Are you hungry? Yes, I am very hungry. I want to eat something. Thank you for watching.